My name is Limbach. I work at the communications department at the Cologne site. I've worked here for 5 months, but before that I wrote my master thesis at INEOS. From day one I've got my own responsibility to finish my own projects, which was a big challenge, but also I was supportive. What attracted me to INEOS was its people. I very much enjoy the flat hierarchy at INEOS, that I can approach anyone at any time. And also for me, as a young professional, I want to learn. So it's better for me if I can actually do and see things and talk to anyone.
Outside of work, I fence. I'm a fencer, I'm a champion. I'm a German champion. I'm ranked number 10 in the world.
I've always loved fencing because I can adapt to new opponents and be better than others and actually have the chance to win. It takes a lot of time and training to become as good as this. I used to be a professional athlete, sponsored by the German military. When I was first thinking of having a job at INEOS, I was quite worried about combining my athletic career with a full-time job. But then I realized that INEOS is quite supportive and always helps me to attend the competitions. So I actually got the perfect solution of training and working at the same time.
INEOS doesn't only support an active lifestyle, they live it. They support their employees to eat healthy, to go out, go running, continue my sport fencing. And my results actually have become stronger and better since I'm at INEOS. So I'm now ranked number 10 in the world. So my fencing career hasn't stopped.
My hopes for the future are to qualify for the 2020 Olympic Games and afterwards have a professional career at INEOS.
The company has a bright future, and the young people that they bring in also support this bright future.